Welcome back. We got another episode for you. Last episode, we got little goblins attacking and we got fighting going on. So our villagers were dying and not doing too well against the goblins, so I think we should help them out, don't you think? Maybe they should have some kind of weapon that they could pick up, and even a blacksmith building that could someone could work at and create these weapons for us. So let's start with creating a weapon first and getting the AI to pick up a weapon. Now, at the start of creating these videos, we were using these scripts called interactables, and so I guess we will create a new interactable. Let's call it item pickup. Alright, it's been a while since I made one of these interactables. And so this is going to be an interactable. And we don't necessarily need to do any of that, do we? Now let me save this for a sec. And where is objects under objects? Item info. Let's see what this shows. That resource type. So I really need to get rid of this, and let me look at our resource interactable, because maybe that stores the item. Alright, let's go to let's just do this, and under our objects let's create a script called weapon info. And then maybe maybe we just have a I kind of want to do this weapon info. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe it inherits from item info. And okay, let's delete all this. Let's see, we're probably going to need where did that go? Let's load back up that item info. Alright, it's going to probably need this for saving, but or does it? Well, maybe it doesn't. Maybe we can just keep it all like that. Base item. Okay. Alright, let's leave all that. let's just say that this is going to have a public int attack. All right. Attacking. Just do that for now. And so they're going to pick it up. This is going to modify here. I'll actually say this. Modifies attack stat. All right. So we got that. Now let me go to my prefabs real quick. Take a look at the resources. Berry, we got box collider, we got resource. So this is the interactable. So maybe I don't know. Don't know. It's kind of weird how I did it. I don't think I want to do it the same way that this was being done. Let's just create a 2D object. We'll just give it the square. And let's just call it sword. Alright, and let's add the interactable of a pickup, item pickup. And let's add a weapon component. Can I? Let me go back to our item info, weapon info, item pickup, item info. This does not have model behavior, so that's what I was doing with these. So we want to, I guess we want to add it to here. Fine, it's fine. Public. No. I think the problem is, like, I have this thing called item pickup. But maybe I have to do like weapon pickup. Like, I just don't want to do all that for every different type of item. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to have that for every single one, because I could have an armor pickup. So maybe where else could I put this? I suppose I could just call it weapon pickup. What I could do is go back here and go into my scripts. Just go objects. We'll just create a new one. We'll just call weapon pickup, because maybe we do need this for the AI to know. And this will be a type of item pickup. Delete all this, and we'll say weapon info, weapon info. Okay. Not gonna worry about saving right now. Let's just get focused on picking it up. Okay, so our agent, somewhere we need to have a inventory. So maybe we create a new script, a character, and let's create a script called inventory. Now we could hard code this and just do something like a weapon info, and we'll call it weapon. I think that's probably what we're going to do. So we'll have like weapon, we'll have question is whether or not we want to just store the, I think so. We need a public add weapon, public void add weapon, public void remove weapon. Oops, come on. All right. So this will we'll get a weapon info. We're going to say weapon is equal to new weapon info. Weapon info. Yeah. So that kind of copies it, I believe. And then we want to this inventory needs a reference to the agent. And we'll say agent dot stat controller dot character stats dot stats attack This really isn't what I want to do, how I want to do it, but we'll just do it for now. Alright, what is the character stats? I don't know why it doesn't automatically go to that. Dot stat type dot attack. This will just be for testing, I think, for now. Dot modified plus equal to, is this a list or is this just a number? Plus equal to the weapon dot attack. So when we add it, we do that. Now when we remove the weapon, oops, we'll do the same thing, but we'll do a minus. And then we want to say, can I say weapon equals null? I don't believe I can destroy weapon. No, because it's not model behavior. we just make it null. So that way I don't have a game object for the weapon, just the info of it. Actually, is that what I want? And we can actually do this. If weapon is not equal to null, then we'll do it, because you can't maybe add a weapon if you already have a weapon. And same thing, if it is not equal to null, just in case. Alright, just trying to think of this on the fly, I guess. Probably not the best idea. But it does kind of help me to think a little bit about it. Like, okay, where am I seeing some of the problems here? This will not have a game object, but maybe we do want a game object so you can see that they're holding the sword. So it would have a game object. And therefore, this would more or less have like... It still needs all this, I think. And so, I think it's fine. It could, maybe it would just reference it. I don't, see then I don't really want to create a duplicate of this. But we'll leave this here for now. And then get to the carrying later. So this will add the weapon, this will remove the weapon. Okay. So let's see. Now that we have that, let's go to our weapon here. And let's remove this. Alright, yeah, we want weapon pickup. We don't do these action strings anymore. I need to get rid of that. Location is task. Task time. Pick it up. 0.1. Doesn't take long for you to pick it up. Map section, AI, agent. Okay. Yeah. Why can I not see the weapon? Let me go back here to the weapon pickup, and we need to say, whoops, system dot serialize bubble. Save that. Go back in here and oh, whoops. Okay. Wrong one. Wouldn't you know it? Needs to be here. Alright. It's actually been a few days since I've made some videos here. Even though you're probably getting maybe a video every day, I kind of do like a bulk of them. And that, so that way if I needed to take a break or was busy doing some other things, I would still have videos. So let's see. Seems to be a problem here. Why, oh why are you giving me a fit? What am I not seeing here? It should show the, let me go to the script, click on, I got like everything all over the place right now. I need a resource info. Am I even using that? Doesn't look like it. And all references. Okay, so it's not being used, so this can be deleted. Maybe I was going to go from item info and then resource info. Golly, I don't want to change that right now. Okay, let me just delete this. But why, oh why, can I not see system serializable? System serializable. Does a resource need to be? I know this is exciting. Gosh, I need to change all this. Resource. No. This should be showing up. Let me just go back to the weapon resource. Just make sure I have that public. Maybe I don't have it public. Weapon. Alright. Yeah, I don't have public. Alright, kind of going slow here, aren't we? Yeah, there we go. Alright, so item name will be sword. Prefab ID. Is this supposed to be a string? Sword. Actually, capital S. Resource type. Maybe we do like other. Attack is 10. Okay. Let me go to my prefabs and add this prefab here. Interactables. We'll just call this the items. Let's add that there. Okay. Then in my map manager, all prefabs goes there. Is that really what I do? What's the difference between all prefabs and all? Oh, okay, this gets filled. These are all the game objects in the world. All right, so we got that. Anything else? All right, so how do we get this to work? So we're going to go to our scripts for our GOP and AI actions. let's say, do we want to call this pickup item or pickup weapon? Let's just do pickup item for now. Pick up item from ground, because it could be that they're not on the ground somewhere else. Let's do this, and this is going to be, of course, a AI action. Delete all this for now, and then we're going to do some overrides. Before action, override, check, override is valid, override, perform action, override, pre-planning, override, target, override, while. And let's just get one of our interactions, or our interactions are AI agents actions. Let's do take resource from ground. And you see, this might need to be we might need this. Just move this down here. Alright, so that target's null, resource. Okay, well, we actually want an item info, I think. Or pick up. Oh man, maybe I do need to say this. So we got item pickup. Say item pickup. Get component. Dot item pickup. We're going to say get the target object, get component, item pickup, and then we're going to say there is no AI agent. There is no is task, so maybe I need all those things. Why isn't that just a default? I do have an agent. I do have all. Okay, hold up. Let me go back to my item info. Is it? Oh no, that's. I'm looking at the wrong one. We go to item pickup. It's interactable. Okay. Oh, I'm typing that. I'm a dummy. Change all this to this. Just delete that. Okay. delete all that. Alright, let's get the target thing, this right here. Alright. Of course, I have no comment to code, so yeah, that's awesome. Let's get rid of all this. And instead of you're looking for an item pickup. Instead of doing the item info, we'll do this. And this will get an item pickup. And then we got this right here, change the resource to item pickup. Okay. So that finds the object. Alright, where do we need to put that? We need to do in the is valid right here. There's two things that will not make this a valid action. If AI agent dot stack controller dot sorry, agent, we don't have an inventory yet, do we? Let's see, the inventory should be maybe on the stack controller, or should it just be on the AI agent? That's a good question. Probably on the agent. Public inventory. And then go back to this pickup. Dot inventory dot. Okay. That weapon. Let's see, I need to go back to the inventory. This needs to be public. This probably needs to be public. Okay. That's the agent. Alright, so this can be that weapon is not equal to. Well, this is stupid. Oh my gosh. Maybe we let's just do this for now, and then I'll go back in and fix it later. Because really, I'm saying weapon here, but this is any kind of item, so. Alright, well, let's just leave that for now. Maybe I'll change it just to pick up weapon from ground. I just don't want to have like too many actions, because the more actions we have, the more the longer the algorithm takes to do stuff. If it's not equal to null, or if it equals null, if it does not equal null, return false, and then if find object, if find object is equal to, no, if not find object, right? That's if it's did not find an object, we'll return false as well. All right, so then that does that. Okay. Set target. We don't need this. We're going to return true. Delete these things. Okay, that one can stay there. All right, set target. It's going to be similar to this. Our target is equal to null, return that. Let's get find object. Can I use a local variable or a local function? What did I do wrong here? Oh, for some reason I had too many. All right, so target is not null, return true, target that, do that, and then we want to get the item pickup, I think. Yeah, item pickup. Change this to item pickup. Target object dot item pickup. Resource, we'll change it to item pickup. Let's get rid of that. All right, so we got that. Now, when we perform the action, let me just grab this and start doing stuff. My belief has weapon is 1. Resource weapon on ground is -1. Actually, it should be item. What we'll do is have a we'll have like a enum probably with the different type of items. That might make things better. This is not what we want to do, but this is what we're doing. So AI agent inventory dot weapon is equal to AI agent target dot. Actually, that's not what we want to do. We want to say AI agent inventory dot add weapon this target info. because I think we're just going to destroy the object. And see, in this carry object, we're saying it to false. We're just going to destroy it, I think. Let's add the weapon, and then we're going to say AI agent or target object. Let's destroy it. How's that sound? Okay. So I think, do we need to do a pre-planning? So it sets the target. If the target object is not null, let's just get rid of this thing here. Let's do item pickup. Not sure if this is even necessary. If I'm saying the target doesn't already do that. Yeah, what do I need all this stuff for? You know, there's so many things I do that I forget why. I feel like I'm going to have like a bunch of errors as the game gets more complicated. It's like, I know what this is doing. It's setting the interactable agent so that the object knows who's its agent. It sends it the type. Okay. And maybe that's what we do with the item pickup. Instead of doing this weapon thing, we actually send it a certain type. And so on the item info, it has a reference to the type. We do like a get type on it. Alright, so pick up item from ground. Let's just create a goal for now. I do have a goal, attack goal, right? The problem is let me think about this. We can do this in a couple ways. Either I click on the weapon and then an AI agent will go pick it up. So let's do that. Let's do a goal. Script. We'll call it the pick up item goal. Don't like it. Pick up item goal. All right. It's gonna be AI agent goal, and I think we override that is valid. All right, we're going to say just return false, and let's see if we can do some logic here. what is the logic? Let me go to some of the other goals, like my gather goal. That's what I thought it did. Instead of a gather resource, we're going to say pick up item from ground. So that does that, and let's call this item. Basically, we're just checking to see if we can get a we want to see if this yeah. Okay. Just checking to see if there's actually an item to pick up off the ground. And in this case, it's looking. I think it's looking for a weapon. So I go to the, if I can find it. Well, this is just finding any item pickup, but right now we don't have one. Alright, let's leave that there for now. Item, pickup item goal, which is getting the action of the pickup item from ground. Alright, let's go to, the goblin won't pick it up because we won't add any of those actions or that goal. So let's go to the AI agent. Okay, here's the test agent, and let's go to his actions, and let's add action pick up item from ground. Alright, the conditions, the world condition is item on ground. Okay, effects. The effect would be, let's just do has weapon. And then this would be 1. Let's just say the cost is 1. Action name is pick up item. Duration is 1. Agent target is single action. And technically it is, right? But yeah, sure. Single action. It will make things a little bit easier, especially if I'm the one that has to click on it. You know, kind of like a gatherable thing. You click on the items, and then they'll the go kit. All right, goals. Now we need to add an inventory, don't we? Okay, and so that's the agent, and the inventory is this. Okay, although I probably could have done that in the script. We'll just do that for now. We have no weapons, that's fine, right? Okay, and then go back to our goals. Let's add a goal. Call the pickup item from ground goal. We're going to say has weapon. Goal is value is 1. Let's just say priority 1 for now. Goal is pick up item. Okay, we'll do 1 single action. So we gotta figure out the action here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we want to say 13. Okay, and then what would be nice is if I need like a little cheat thing where I can type in words and a number and it would add it to the world state, so I could debug it that way. Because let's go to the click detector. Click detector right here. Select agent, gather click. I don't like how I'm doing this. Gather click, because I don't want to send an array for each. What is this? Oh, this is because it's based upon the button I'm clicking. I think we could do it in the gather. So it does here. If it's interactable is equal to null. If it's not equal to null, maybe we do right here. Item pickup. Item pickup is equal to hit.collider.getComponent item pickup. So we can also click on items as well. Oops, what am I doing? And then if oh my word, if item pickup is not equal to null, then kind of want something like this. What do we say? Item on ground. Okay, so now let's go to here. I'm going to say public bool has clicked to false. That should take care of that. Let's save this. Let's go here. Just check that goal again. So it has weapon goal. Actions. Item on ground. Okay. So we're almost about done with this. Before we can test, we need to go to our prefabs. Okay, I already added that, so I want to delete this. We want to create the sword. So let's go to our map creator. Where are we testing our, so here we create villager, create game object, and you say sword, comma, 1 1. Sorry, new vector 2. Okay, let's just create that sword. You can see it takes a while. It takes quite a bit to do. All right, so let's see. Does it need to have the name of it? Oh, let me just double check this action string. Does it not have an item? Let's see if I do this. Sword, save it. Should have like an item name or something. Alright, did create it. We do have it. Let's fix the layer on it. And I think we need a box collider. Box collider 2D. We get trigger. And we need a layer. Let's just give it a resource layer. Okay, so there it is. Click on it. Alright, click gather. Yeah, it did something. Wait, what the heck? What did it do? Somehow, what did it do? Did I click on it? Maybe I clicked on a tree. Okay, we're getting some errors here. Let's just see here. Let's not put that there. Let's put it at let's not put it up in the sky like that. Let's go to our map manager. Change this to a -3 30. -3 and do it at 10. Save. And let's just turn off our goblin for now so we don't die. What the heck? Why is it way up there? Oh, I did the wrong one. This needs to be 10. And this is a -3. This video is probably going to be a little bit longer. Okay, let me click on it. Oops, I got to click gather. Okay, so we are doing something. I should have done 12. Alright, so it is doing it correctly. Let me go back to my agent. Instead of 13, it needs to be 12. Alright, let me count it again. So the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's number 12. Oh, yeah. It's number 12. You can see it's working because we don't have the error, and then when I don't have an error there, but when I click on this one, oh, what the heck? That's working. He picked it up. Hold on, how can we tell? How do we know? Well, that didn't do anything. Maybe that's not the one who picked it up. I don't have any errors. Oh, he has the sword. He has it. Alright. Now you can fight the goblin. That's cool. I'm surprised it worked. Trying to think. Now, it's not the best system right now because I need to change it to where it's like picking up that can be any item. Gather. Let's turn this goblin on. What? Why are you running away? You have a sword. They're like, nah. This is so cool. See what happens. You're going to die. It's cool. He's dead. We got a missing reference object. Move to target. Okay, somehow when he got killed, he what did he do? He still had him as a target. So I don't know how to fix that right now, but let's do this. Let's add 2 swords so that they both have a sword. So let's see if we can OP our weapons and see if we attack. We don't attack, so we're gonna change the so we really need to change that. If we get like attacked, we would change our courage or something maybe. Let's see, move to target. Where am I looking at? My map manager. Let's add another sword. Let's put this at 5. So we'll have 2 swords. And then let me save. And then in our villager goal, Actually, how do I set the courage? Was it under the goal? Let's do the priority 2. So it shouldn't flee. Do I have a attack? I don't have an attack goal. Attack. Should did an armor thing. Let's see what this is going to be. Attack goal. I don't know what that needs to be. Let's make this 1. I gotta find out what that one is. It's fine. Single action is something. Don't even have that attack action. Nope. Attack threat. Conditions is threaten, I think, is the right, because if I go to flee, is threaten, yeah. And what's the, there's no effect, cost 1. Action name is attack threat, duration 1. Is single action, so this would be 13 for the goal. Now let's see if that works. Okay. You gather 1. Oh, we got no reference. They don't have a threat sensor? Oh, maybe we gotta hook it up. My goal. Yeah, I need to hook up the threat sensor here. Now let's see if that works. Gather. Oops, gathering object. Yeah, go ahead, chop down that tree. Click here. Okay, you're getting that item. Okay, you picked up that item. You're taking that. Let's turn the goblin on. Okay, they're going to attack. Let's see who wins. It should be us. It should be the villager. We got a sword. What's going on? Ah, yeah, we won. Haha. Take that, goblin. But did we? Here, let's go to our sword. Prefab. Items. Sword. Attack is 100, so we should kill him right away. Too many trees, come on. Now let's just clear out some of these trees, for crying out loud. Let's get them their swords first. Alright, so they got their swords. Item on ground, that should be a -1. So I gotta see why that's not working. Oh, I think I was using weapon on ground. Let's go to goblins, turn them on. Just click here to gather. Okay, something isn't quite right. Something's not quite right. Too many trees. Let's turn the goblin on. See if he comes over this way, and then if we go and attack him. Alright, we're both going to attack him. We should have killed him already. Let me go to the inventory. Let's go to the inventory, just make sure I was adding that modifier. Modified. Alright, where's the attack threat action? This didn't get value. Let me log this. Oh, you know what? Attack damage. We need that. So let's go to our weapon. We'll just call it damage. Modifies damage. And let me go to my inventory. Copy all that. I'm going to say attack damage. I just had to look at the how are we doing the attack and stuff. I know this video has probably gone on pretty long, and some of it was just I really didn't have this completely planned out ahead of time. Let's look at the sword. Let's change the sword damage to 100, so we will kill it in one shot, I think, right? Because the health is like at something. Okay, that was, well, anyways, we gotta still fix that. Let's do let's turn the goblin on, and they're attacking. Should kill them, maybe. No. Oh, what the heck, man? And we obviously need to change that. Alright, well, I'll just stop the video there. I'll figure out off screen. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.